Listening to music just on your phone can work in a pinch, but let's be honest, those speakers generally suck. Even if I amplify them, they're still worthless. Sharing funny videos or other social media on my phone was a nightmare to my friends. I'd always try to do the palm trick with everyone hunched over or the glass cup trick, and nothing seemed to work. It was just highly annoying. I even got a little attachment for it to amplify the sound, but it didn't really do much. If anything, it even distorted the sound more, not better. Anything speaker attaches to virtually any object and creates a vibrating loudspeaker with amazing sound. You can attach it to all sorts of objects: your car, furniture, large appliances. Basically, the bigger the object, the bigger the sound. Anything speaker is huge to have in my pocket wherever I go. Whether I'm watching something alone or sharing something with a friend, it's infinitely times better than my phone speakers alone. Anything speaker is way better than your phone speakers. You have to try it.